Searching for a 2009 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.